Drivers were stranded when the blizzard shut down I-35 last night. Iowa State Patrol shared this video. You can see whiteout conditions there. This was during a crash response on I-35 north of Ames yesterday. KCCI senior reporter Todd Magel shows us how emergency managers in Iowa Falls stepped up to help travelers in need.
It's pretty rare to shut down one of the busiest interstates in the country, but our weekend blizzard didn't really leave the Iowa State Patrol much choice. Northbound traffic on I-35 was shut down on Highway 30 for most of the night and into the morning near Ames. Barricades and gates stopped traffic from moving north. The Iowa State Patrol and the DOT spent the last 24 hours clearing the pavement and towing stranded cars. Some of those cars belonged to drivers from across the country who ended up spending the night in Iowa Falls, about an hour north of Des Moines.
I don't think looking out your window you fully got the effect living in town of how bad it really was.
Mackenzie Burton is the Hardin County Emergency Manager. She opened up the Iowa Falls Fire Department after hotels filled up in town. She says families, some with little kids, slept on air mattresses, ate donated food, and were grateful for the hospitality.
It really worked out perfect with everything that the community did. They brought us cookies, like I said, breakfast, water, just everything. Our community has really stepped up.
Minutes before noon, a DOT truck stopped along Highway 30 and opened the gates to Interstate 35, a sign that the interstate was open again and the blizzard emergency was over. Even though the interstate is now open, the State Patrol says you still need to drive with some caution. Many of the secondary roads just north of Ames are still a mess. In Ames, Todd Magel, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.